welcome back to another video of Tetravoid Robotics. Today we are going to be teaching you how to create the LineStop Myblock in EV3 Classroom. First of all, once you open EV3 Classroom, you want to click on New Project. And there you go, you have a new project. You can rename it, let's say project save it and have it named Project YouTube or whatever you want to name it. So first, to make the Myblock, you can see at the bottom of the controls there is the Myblocks. So click on the Myblock section and click Make Block. First, you want to name your Myblock. Let's say LineStop, because this video is teaching you how to create a Myblock that makes the robot stop at the line. And then we do speed to represent the variable of speed. So you can add an input, let's say the percentage of speed. Now this input is just going to be representing speed. So the reason why we added this representation of speed was because we could drag it out and plug it into other blocks. So let's first delete this. First, you want to go to variables and click on make a variable. So after you've done that, you want to type in set and click OK, and there you have a bunch of set variables. Drag the middle one down under the LineStop speed, and then change the set to rename variable and change it to LineStop loop. Okay, and then after you're done with that, you have to reset reflected light intensity calibration. So go to sensors and you go to the sensor section with this big circle and a tiny circle on the bottom, and you can see that this says reset reflected light intensity calibration. That's the block you want. Drag it under the set LineStop loop, and after you're done with that, you want to go to events, actually controls, and you want to click on repeat until. Drag it under reset reflected light intensity calibration and go to operations. After that, drag in the equal operation with the equal sign in the center into this hexagon with the repeat until. So if I am too fast, you can pause the video and you can look at the LineStop Myblock so far and follow my steps. So you want to change this number, this 100 to 1, and you want to go to variables again, and it'll say LineStop loop because you made a variable, and drag the LineStop loop into the oval shaped one in the hexagon for operations. And after that, you want to go to movement and you want to get the second to last block, drag it under the repeat until, and change this 50. You just drag in the percentage of speed, and it'll basically say at percentage of speed, percent speed, which means that percentage of speed equals the speed that is going to be in the Myblock. So after that, you want to go to control and click on if hexagon then, and put it under the start moving block. Basically, you want to put it under this pink block and put it inside the repeat until block. So after you've done that, you may get confused on two of these, but we are using the if hexagon then, not the if then else block. So after you've done that, you want to go to sensors and you want to do reflected light intensity equals what percentage. So you scroll up and you find it at the start. You change the percentage to 65% and the port stays at 3. Drag another control down here, if then block, inside the first if then block. And basically you want to do it over again, but inside this if then block. So get another reflected light intensity, change it to 2 or whichever port your color sensor is connected, and change it to 65%. Now as you can see, it is smaller than 65% on both. You want to change that into greater than for both. After you're done with that, now you want to go to movement and click the stop moving block, drag it into if then block. After you're done with that, go to variables and then you want to set LineStop loop to 1. Now you are finished with the LineStop speed Myblock. So after you're done with that, now you want to drag your LineStop speed Myblock onto the when program starts block. And you can change the speed into any type of speed, let's say 30. And as you can see, this of speed here is matched with this of speed. So this 30 represents this percentage of speed. Thank you for watching and see you next time.